What is self-incrimination? Facing a criminal investigation can be overwhelming, and few things complicate matters faster than accidentally saying something that implicates you. That's where the concept of self-incrimination comes in, a legal protection rooted in the U.S. Constitution that could make all the difference in your case. Understanding what counts as self-incrimination, how to avoid it, and when to stay silent is essential for anyone navigating the criminal justice system. It can determine whether your rights are protected or unintentionally waived. The law on self-incrimination. Self-incrimination is addressed in the Fifth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which states that no person shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself. This legal safeguard applies in both federal and state courts, including in New York. It allows individuals to refuse to answer questions or provide information that might incriminate them. In New York, the criminal procedure law also reinforces these protections. For example, Section 60.45 addresses whether a defendant's statements are admissible by examining if they were made voluntarily and with a clear understanding of Miranda rights. These rights, stemming from Miranda v. Arizona, require police to inform suspects that they have the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney. Failure to properly deliver or waive Miranda rights can lead to suppression of statements made during interrogation. Courts in New York closely scrutinize whether a waiver of rights was made knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily. How to protect yourself from self-incrimination. Self-incrimination can happen in ways that many people don't expect. Even casual conversations with law enforcement, posts on social media, or remarks made to friends or family can be used as evidence. It's not always about formal statements, sometimes it's the smallest comment that creates legal risk. To protect yourself, it's vital to remain silent when being questioned and request an attorney immediately. Volunteering information, even if you think it helps your case, can backfire. You should avoid discussing your case with anyone except your attorney, and refrain from sharing anything case-related on social media. Even the way you handle evidence or documents can become an issue. For example, destroying or altering materials might be interpreted as a sign of guilt. If you're facing charges or an investigation, speaking with a lawyer early on can help prevent these missteps. An attorney can guide you through police interrogations, courtroom proceedings, and plea negotiations. What is self-incrimination and how does it work? Self-incrimination occurs when someone's words or actions suggest they were involved in a crime. This might be direct, such as confessing to an act, or indirect, like providing details that only a participant would know. The Fifth Amendment protects against being forced to offer such evidence against oneself. In practice, this means that defendants can refuse to testify in their own trials or answer police questions. But just staying silent isn't always enough. You must clearly state that you're invoking your right to remain silent, otherwise, a court may view your silence as a waiver of that right. The law firm representing you plays a major role in protecting these rights. A skilled attorney will evaluate whether your rights were properly respected and challenge any statement obtained in violation of those protections. The law firm can also help prepare you for any situation where your words might be used against you. There are exceptions. Physical evidence like fingerprints or DNA isn't protected by the Fifth Amendment. If you voluntarily waive your rights or accept immunity in exchange for testimony, you may be legally required to speak. And in cases involving immediate threats to public safety, police can sometimes ask questions without giving Miranda warnings. Because of these complexities, every decision you make while under investigation matters. Seeking help from a lawyer ensures you're making those decisions based on legal strategy, not confusion or fear. At every stage, from the moment you're approached by law enforcement to the end of trial, it's critical to know when to speak and when to stay silent. If you're unsure, talk to an attorney before saying anything. For trusted legal support, contact the law offices of Jason Bassett, PC at 631-259-6060 or visit the office at 320 Carleton Avenue No. 4200, Central Islip, New York, 11722, United States. Your rights matter, and we're here to protect them.